Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here, and I'm very appreciative that you are here because this is a very late video. Partly like just life, but partly also the shipping companies. So Macy's didn't even send out my Macy's beauty box until like August 20th, I want to say. It was really late anyway. And then because of what's going on at my house, anyway, the post office is continuing to hold our mail, so I have to go and pick it up anytime that I want to get it, because until like all the stuff is moved out from in front of the house, they aren't going to be delivering, because they don't want it to be delivering when there's construction workers coming and going and stuff. So anyway, I got my Macy's, and then, you know, it was the middle of the school week and I didn't have any time to film. So it is Friday. I'm putting this up tomorrow. It is the soonest that I could get it. So here's the Macy's. I just took it out of the box. And then I also have my Ipsy. This one is $15 a month. This is basically $15 a month now because it's $13 plus a $1.99 handling fee. We're going to see how they're doing, if they are worth it. This might be my last year with Ipsy. I mean, I love getting these bags, and like that's part of it. Like I love getting the bags and stuff, but I'm not sure if it's going to continue being something that I enjoy getting every month. So let's start with Macy's, because I have one thing that was not wrapped up. This was just rattling around in the box. This is from Chella. This is the Hello Beautiful, and it looks to be a mini Levi neutral eyeshadow, and there are 4 shades in here. It looks really familiar. There is Femme, Instincts, Dynamic, and Vitality. I feel like I have this, or I have a different version of this, so I'm not going to actually swatch it because I feel like I already have it, and I don't want to, you know, I don't need 2 of it. And I don't know if I have it where it would be, because I don't know where anything is anywhere at the moment other than what I like physically have with me in my office. I know, but this wouldn't be in my office. I think I have it, so I'm not going to open it. Let's see what that retails for. It says the full size retails for $20. I don't know if that's a full size or not. It shows the same thing here. It looks the same. I can't imagine paying $20 for that quad. All right, everything else is in this little stack here. The next thing I see in here is from Lancome. It is the Monsieur Big Mascara. I don't like this mascara. It flaked like crazy on me, so it is not one that I want to use. Let's see if I can find it. It retails for $28 for a full size, so I will be passing that one along for sure, because I know it's not something I will use. Okay, next up I have this from Dior. This is the Dior Forever 50 Years of Expertise. It's just like a blister pack with several different shades. This is not a sample, Macy's. No, this does not count. This does not count. This is a no. This is not what I expect from Macy's beauty box. This retails, full size retails for $52. I will not be buying it because this is BS. This is BS. No, this is not what we pay $15 a month to get. No. So this next thing is not listed on the sheet, so I'm assuming this is what's supposed to substitute for not having a bag this month. Honestly, I'd just rather have the bag. This is like a Kabuki brush. It has no labeling on it whatsoever. It has a little bit of weight to it. It feels very middling. It doesn't feel like Real Techniques quality. It's not like that good of a quality, but it's also not like terrible quality. It's not like the super scratchy stuff. I'm passing that along because I know I'm not going to use it. So that's another thing being passed along. So far, Macy's, you're not it. You're not it. Okay, then we have our perfume samples, which is always like my favorite thing. So first up, I have Belle by Jean-Paul Gaultier. I don't even need to, like, I recognize the bottle. I love this perfume. This is one of my favorites. I've been obsessed with it. And then we have the Beau by Jean-Paul Gaultier. Also, this is the male version. Let me tell you what those retail for. So Beau retails for $80 and Belle retails for $94. I will use my Belle, and the Beau I will pass along to somebody else because I don't like traditionally male fragrances. But we're getting a little better. I'm excited to see something different and exciting in there. Although they've been out forever and it took a ridiculously long amount of time for it to get to the United States. Oh, this is interesting. So the sample shows, this is the Eau de Parfum. And then the La Perfume is what they're showing here. Can you see how the bottles differ? And that's just because, you know, knowing all about perfumes, like that's very interesting that they put the picture of one, but this is definitely a different one here. Macy's, you're slipping. I don't know what's going on with you. Next up is an eye pencil. This is the Bodyography bronze eye pencil. It retails for $14. I won't be using it, but it looks pretty. I just never wear eyeliner. Like, I brought eyeliners from my parents because I took all of my makeup there, which is good because my house is trashed because of the construction and construction dust, and I'm glad my makeup didn't get covered in that, but I still have not used any of them, and I want to try to force myself to start using them so I can get rid of them. Next up is from Origins. This is the Gin-Zing Into the Glow Brightening Eye Serum. This retails for $44. Oh, the eyeliner retails for $14. So, Macy's, not a good month. Some things are okay, but let's recap. This is just an okay brush. I much rather would have had a nice makeup bag instead of this. The Chella eyeshadow palette is okay. I feel like I've gotten this in another beauty box before, so I'm not super impressed with that because it seems to have been making the rounds. I know a lot of people like this mascara, so I'm not going to find fault with that. I just personally don't like it. At least the eyeliner isn't black. I will give them that. But again, not something I'm really excited about. Then we have this. This is a WTF. Macy's. Yeah. Nah. The two perfumes are good. I'm glad to try to have those. Like, I feel like those are good. And I feel like this is a staple kind of eye cream. It's nice. This is probably the only thing that I'm keeping and using, though. I mean, I probably will use the Belle just as a travel. But, yeah. Not a great month for Macy's. And they only gave us a $5 off coupon. And I've been having trouble getting the coupons to work when I'm going online anyway. And I don't know if I will be going into store to Macy's to redeem those very much in the future. The gal that I really loved that was at the perfume counter at Macy's, she retired to go on to other things after working in retail for a long time. And then the perfume representative that I just loved, she was such a sweetheart. She passed away suddenly this summer. Like, the last thing she said to me was, "Oh, I'll see you when you get back," and give me a hug. And I'm really glad that we had that. But yeah, I just don't know if I'll be able to go back to Macy's because I don't know anybody there anymore. And that was part of it, you know, there was a relationship and I felt valued and stuff. Moving on to Ipsy, this is what it looks like this month. It does have the cute banana leaf kind of thing here. It's a satin bag. It's kind of nice. It's very reminiscent of an old Macy's bag that they've done in the past too. So I think that's kind of funny. Let's check out the card. Does it actually, oh, it does have things in there. Yay. That's good. Okay. So first up I have is Dew of the Gods, Fijifuji Collagen Whip Vitamin Mask. The plastic wrap on this feels very unnecessary. Just like an added impediment. Dang it, that was hard to get out. So this is what it actually looks like. It's kind of cute. I'm excited to try it. I don't need any more masks, but I will try a mask. So that's the first thing. Let's see. This retails for $42 and it says you can put it in the fridge. I don't think I want to put on a cold mask. Like, that does not sound fun. So the full size retails for $42. This says that the value of this bag is over $50. We'll see. I don't think I've ever felt like these were worth $50. All right, then we have the Beauty Crop Avocado Superfood Serum. Have I gotten this? I feel like I just used an avocado serum. Okay, it's kind of cute. That's what it looks like. I probably will use this as a neck and chest serum just because I feel like going through those a lot faster than I normally do. That retails for $15 for a full size. And the one nice thing about Ipsy is it does tell you the different sizes. So this is a 15 mil, they tell me a full size is 100 grams. This has mils and ounces, so I have no idea what 100 grams is. And then this is a 10 mil, and so this is half the size. Full size is 20 mil. All right, then we have a Oryza Beauty Glow Up Lip Balm in Peach Tea. So it looks like does it have a wand? This is a full size anyway. It retails for $16. I don't want to open this because I am not ready for any more lip balms and lip glosses. I'm trying to use up several of them at the moment. So I'm going to leave this one sealed so that I know it's new and kind of give it an idea of when I got it so that I can, you know, use up other things first. Then we have this Pistache Skincare Pistachio Oil Hydrating Eye Cream. It is so, like, sucked in. That's so funny. Yeah, like, look at that. That's kind of ridiculous. This is 5 ml. So this is supposed to be a 10 ml. But there's like just put it in a smaller package. Don't act like you are giving us a giant tube when there's hardly anything in here, actually. That irritates me. So this is an eye cream, 15 ml, 3 times as big. I bet they just used the same packaging, the same size tube. It retails for $30, so this is supposed to be $10 worth of eye cream. Okay. I don't really need any eye creams. I have over a glossy box full of eye creams at this point. I'm still trying to use them up, and I had to throw out 3 this year because they just keep sending eye creams. All right, next up is the Kokie Translucent Setting Powder, and it says a lightweight sheer finishing powder with a natural finish, and this is an SP707. It doesn't really look translucent. It looks kind of yellow tinged. Anyway, this retails for $10, so this is a full size. Let's go over what we got. Okay, so I'm hoping that Macy's and Ipsy both step up their game, because this month was kind of boring and unimpressive in both of these. And from what I've seen of sneak peeks for September, I'm not super hopeful. Anyway, so let's look at what I got. This was my Ipsy. So I got a lip balm. Okay. I got a translucent setting powder. I got a mask. I got an eye cream, and I got a serum. So basically the lip balm is the most exciting thing, because at least it's supposed to be flavored. Like, this is fine, but I don't know, I want something exciting in my bag. And this is not generating excitement. I'm going to use everything. Well, hopefully the powder will work. I'm going to try the powder, but I'll use everything eventually. I just, actually, let me check the ingredients. We're good. It seems to be a vegan formula. It's kind of hard to tell, but it does have synthetic beeswax instead of actual beeswax. So that's a good step for me. Anyway, yeah, this is the most exciting thing from Ipsy. I'm not super impressed with what I got. Macy's was kind of a dud for me as well. There's a couple things that I think were nice. They just weren't for me. So I think Macy's beat out Ipsy this month just because of how, like, there's nothing exciting. And they're just basic, boring things. And maybe I'm just being grumpy because of life and everything. But let me know what you got in your Macy's or your Ipsys. Let me know if you think they were good this month or not. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know why subscribe always trips me up. And leave me a comment. Let me know how you are doing as well. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by. And I can't wait to talk to you next time.